Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome title in Adobe Rush. So first you go to the graphics panel and you find one of the titles. Most of them come with a bit of animation, so just select the one you want. I'm going to go with this one and click add. As you can see, this one comes with animation. So what I'm going to do now is double click on the text so I can edit it. If you go to the graphics panel on the right, you can change the font, you can play around with the settings. And here I'm changing the color and adding an outline to it, a black outline, just to make it stand out. So you can play around with that. And I'm just changing the text to summer. And I'm just picking a font that I like, that stands out, and applying a bit more of an outline. There we go. You can also change the background color as well. So I'm just changing it now to red so you can see. And I'm putting it back to how it was and increasing the outline to make it pop a bit. The baseline shift option lets you move around the text. And this is the end result, guys. And if you prefer to have something a bit more simple, you can go back to the graphics panel and pick something like this. And this one comes with no animation.